Right, look what we have here. This is Etihad Boeing 787 Dreamliner here at Incheon International Airport. Alright, take a look at this real quick. And we have Jeju Air, Azena Air, and let's zoom into this one. This is Zip Air, Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Right? How about this one right here? Oh, Air Japan, another Dreamliner, 787 Dreamliner. So we have Dreamliner, one Dreamliner here, one Dreamliner here, and another Dreamliner here. It's really cool, alright? So this one heading to Abu Dhabi from Incheon International Airport, alright? And that's heading to Japan, going to Tokyo, and that's one probably going to Tokyo as well. Alright everybody, so 3 Boeing 787 here, Dreamliners at Incheon International Airport this afternoon. Let's look at the Etihad there. Let's look at the zoom in to see the sign, the field there of Abu Dhabi. Look at that. United Emirates. Etihad. Alright, cool. Alright, get back out here. Let's zoom to see the tower a little bit. Foggy now, alright? Okay. 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 Alright, everybody. Hope you all have a good day now.